Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and in this video we will talk about how we can enable voice typing inside Microsoft Word, especially in that scenario when you are using perpetual version of Office. For example, Office 13, 16, 19 and 2021. So in that scenario here you will see that there is no such option available in these versions that can enable voice typing inside Office. So the question now arises how we can enable it. So in order to enable voice typing inside Microsoft Word, we have another go around. For that, what we need to do is we need to enable Windows voice typing. And let me show you one such demonstration. For that, I need to press Windows and H. And here we go. Here we can see, guys, as I'm speaking, the Windows voice typing feature is typing what I am saying. So in this way, guys, we can type or we can enable voice typing inside Microsoft Word. And to do that, we need to do some settings that we're going to see. Okay, so let me actually stop it now. Okay, so first thing what we're going to do is we need to go here in sound button. Let's click on it and click on sound setting. So here we will see if we have chosen the correct input or not. Let's say you are using a particular kind of mic. Here you need to choose that particular mic. So in my case, this is the mic that I am currently using. So I already have chosen that. Now the next setting what I will do here is I will type voice typing and let's hit enter. So here we can see in case of voice typing, it is mentioned that in order to enable voice typing, we simply need to press Windows and H button. So let's try to do the same. And again, the prerequisite is that you need to select certain text field or data field. So here we can see we have placed our cursor in a location where we can type text. Now let's press Windows and H and this will finally bring this Windows voice typing. Now you can click here on setting. Here you can see further more customization. For example, if you would like to keep a voice launcher on the go, you can enable it. You can also enable automatic punctuation. And from here also you can quickly choose the mic that you are currently using. So in this way, guys, we can customize it. And now here we can see this voice typing is always available here. Now I can place it here and whenever required, I can click on it and then it will start listening to me and will start typing based on my need. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.